what happened was purely a misunderstanding. Mr. Koitori is taking what happened to him in the past and using it to accuse Matata. The two are not even related.
No, that's all. What will his Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Committee do about the next election?
We are here to look back so that we can learn from what happened and move forward. So, come next elections, we will have established a transformation where communities are torchbearers for peace and politicians advocates for peace.
I do quite agree with Koitori. He lost his whole family, like many of us who lost their loved ones, properties, and goods. What now?
Restorative justice means that victims, offenders, and the affected communities are all key stakeholders in the restorative process. Victims here are not only those who are directly affected by the offense, but also their family members and members of the community as well. And the starting points for any restorative justice process are safety, support, and the needs of these victims. And these needs could include material, financial, emotional, or even social.
What's the point?
Addressing these needs and the needs of the affected communities is vital if public demands for severe punishments are to be quelled.